In this video, we will show you how to install a metric imperial copper connection kit. Firstly, you need to remove the nut, the split collet, and also the seal ring, so that there are no components left inside the fitting. The copper kit consists of a seal, an internal grab ring and a locator lug. The seal is pushed fully into the socket, followed by the stainless steel grab ring with the teeth pointing into the fitting as shown here. Next is the locator lug, and finally the nut is replaced, leaving 2 to 3 threads still visible. We now need to check and clearly mark the insertion depth on the pipe. The pipe is now inserted into the fitting up to the insertion mark, and then the nut is tightened to grip the pipe. For further tightening, use the appropriate size Philmac spanner available in sizes from 20 to 110 mm.